Okay, what if we wanted to sort this a mass of data here? You can see how much it is. Let's say that I wanted to sort it. Now, sort is different than filter. So let's go to the Data tab. And you see where the little sort buttons are? Just click anywheres in here. If you click in the last name right here, it's going to sort according to which button you pushed. If you push the ascending, it'll start from the A, go to the Z, and no people. If it doesn't have any A's, it'll start with the B. If it doesn't have any B, you get the gist. Anyway, so depending on which one, if I clicked in the division, it would sort ascending in the divisions. So let's say that we wanted to sort from the last name and we wanted to do ascending. Now remember, people have asked me to explain this just for the sake of argument. When it does sort, the data doesn't get mixed up. Whatever is right here, it stays with wherever the other one goes in the sort. Okay, so if I highlight there the last name and I click on ascending, you'll see it started with the A's and it went all the way to the W's. You see? Now, leaving it there, if I wanted the W's at the top and descending, then I can still leave it right there and hit the descending. You see? Sorting, very easy to do. You just have to be sure that you are in the column of the data that you want to sort. You know, you can come back in here and say, well, I wanted to sort it according to the division. Fine. Click there and go ascending or descending. So you see, everyone from the Connecticut would go ahead and be sorted. So it goes all the way up to the V's, or should I say, all the way down. Now, let's go ahead and close out of this and open it back up so you will see the difference on a filter. Let's close it. And we don't save. And then we open back up. And you see, it's just like it was. Now, let me show you the difference on the filter. You just click anywheres in here, it doesn't matter. And you hit filter. You see the little drop downs that are on the side of each column header. You'll see it. And let's say that I wanted to find out just who's in Connecticut. And that's all that I wanted to be viewing on here. So I'd go to the division and then select where it says select all. I want to deselect that. Then I wanted to choose only Connecticut. Now watch. You see the difference in sorting and filtering? The filter just gives you the one that you have asked for. And you could even go further. If you say, look, I want only the ones in Connecticut and in the development department. See the department? It's not going to change the division, but you go over here and you deselect, and then you select development again. Now you see, you only have people in the development department and the ones that are in Connecticut. And to bring it all back like it was, you just deselect. You see, it's recessed. Now it's all back like it was. See, because there's nothing that is is being used. That's how you filter.